Mina bo sister stock feeling amachita de koni mamko pose boni na ring emafoni mople mina bo sister stock feeling amachita de koni mamko pose boni na ring.
Yabona lento le iphone that's in your pocket. This device mfana ingakenzela amazing stuff. And especially now that equality of my phone, it's on another level. So just take out your phone, take out your smartphone and start shooting. Start capturing something. Start shooting at home, shoot your family, record your siblings, record your family, record your loved ones, record your daily in and outs. Isn't those on a daily basis? So it does not mean that you have nothing. Even if you don't have a smartphone, somebody that you know, next door neighbor yako or your friend has a smartphone.
Indeed. So what you're saying is, you better start now. Ne? Ungayenza make excuse ukuthi awuna camera, awuna equipment. It's better to start early than wait for an opportunity which you didn't even create an opportunity for yourself. So bafethu nimzulu deuthi. If you have a phone, start shooting with a phone. Right now, my phone and I'm a software edit. You can start to shoot with your phone and start editing with your phone. So, I've seen your work at TV. I've seen your work at TV. Like, Kamalak has been all over.
Yes, sir.
So, angihlablele mfana ngeprofile yakho kancane nje sokuthi abantu bazi kabanzi ukuthi okay, Deshwas Sharp, we've seen the name. Now sebayambona. What's your highest profile that you've achieved like this year?
So far it's been music videos, but then I was honored enough to span I was honored to span abantu abaphezulu njengo DJ Tira.
Oh, nice.
We've worked with Unati.
Oh, nice.
And then there's a lot of projects that are in the pipeline. It says shutile already, but then which the public doesn't know as yet.
Oh, yeah.
But then I'd say Wamanje, it's been Tira, Malungelo, Unati, DJ Kiyo, to name a few. Actually, you know what? Here's a clip.
Yes, and then you just saw Sebenza Day of it. Hard work pays. Hard work always beat talent. That's Umalungelo featuring Unati. Shot by yours truly, Deshwas. You know, there's a lot of people that think because they're talented while they're not working, then they think because of I spend that. Hard work pays. Hard work beats talent. So you saw the work from the screen.
Speaking of hard work, talent can only take you so far. But hard work pays, and hard work, it's not about individuals.
Indeed.
Yes. Most of all, no muntu ohlala society lami usponsor keke. We've also just started working with abanye abantu abafiu. We've got another lady, Gamalaki Faith. She helps with set designing and stuff like that. So coming to your point, Uti, talent is not enough. You gotta put in the work, and putting in the work, it's not about you. It's about the people that you work with.
Yeah.
So I'd like to give thanks to Sponchman KK for being e-driver. Yeah, the name that you see on television, which is K Schwartz.
Done.
So just know Uti, as much as I'm directing or the case, or we want IOTV, but I'm not a
No man is an island.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can go this far with one, but you can go further. Naba.
Exactly.
So yeah, no nyatwala to. But friends, you're still watching Ringakao only on channel 504. Remember, Rising Sun TV, that's StarSet. For those who don't have StarSet, make sure that you get your own StarSet, install your own StarSet so that you can watch Ringakao.
How much is it?
The StarSets, I think they go about 500 to 60. And then subscription fee, there's the A120, there's the A2 something, and then the big one in the Rising Sun TV. It's 300.
I'm definitely getting it, Buffett. I'm definitely
Please,
getting
brother, please. We must organize one for you.
it. Exactly. StarSet is doing amazing stuff.
Now this guy platform.
Yeah, well,
Faka ma shows way to put at least not sikune. It's going to empower abantu. But nevertheless, Buffett, stay tuned. It is Jigaitoro, see Slolo. See you just after the break.
Ringakao.
Welcome back, Buffett. You're still watching Ringakao, and this is your boy B Umfanaga Poison. I'm still with Mr. Dane Schwartz, the one and only director. Buffett, today the topic of the day, what we're going to be talking about, we'll be talking about the importance of why should artists invest on their music video. It's very important, it's very vital. So Dane, since he does production, since he's a director and he has shot lots of videos, also explain like what is the important that you as an artist you should invest on your own music video. What quality is proper for your music video? So Putam Day, ngicela ukuthi explain abantu emakhaya ukuthi what's the importance of one should invest on their music video?
Number one, as a musician or an artist, you want to get your music out there. And best way to relate with the audience is mababona ukuthi ubani umuntu lo osinikeza loyo music.
Yes.
Number two, as an artist, you need to make money. So your image potentially attracts club owners and promoters. So having a music video will help you in that regard. And then izokhulisa ne revenue yakho, you understand? So the more they see your image, the more they think you might be a good image for their clubs and their events or whatever the case is.
Yes.
People relate more nomuntu abambonayo. So a music video helps in that regard.
So let's talk budget now, because abantu bayakhala when it comes to them paying for music video. So for instance, I get there's HD quality on my music video, there's 4K quality, but now the people they're mostly using a 4K. So let's talk price. Let's call them price. I'm a price wakahamba kanjani, so that I can just ask you another question after that.
I think it's not going to be fair to actually put a price on it. Yes, Tina sebenza kanjani. We ask you what your budget is.
Okay.
Depending on the budget law onayo, then we work around layer figure. Because remember, it's not just about equipment or a camera. It's about the location la so shootela corner. It's about the people who have to be part of your video. It's either models or dancers, you know what I mean. And then Nakona, I just heard you mentioning HD and 4K.
Yeah.
Nakona, it's not that important. Why in Shoganjalo? You can have a 4K video, Mare. Ibe poor. Someone else can have an HD video, but the lighting is good. The people that are part of the video are good. The location is nice. So ungathatha what's popular now, abantu bafuna ukushuta ngama red camera. You can take a red camera, but mawungana lighting, mawungana location right, mawungana abantu ama models nice looking, nicely dressed, then you're not gonna have a good video.
Okay.
So every element of the production, the whole project is important. Lighting, crew, location, outfits, makeup. You understand that, Putom?
Yeah.
So yeah, most of abantu babuza kakhulu ukusebenzisa i-camera enjani, and to be honest, it's not about the camera.
It's about the work that's going to be the end product of the project.
The end product.
So me mangibuza nge-price ne. Remember, the topic of the day is why should an artist invest on his music video? So now the price, it's basically the production value.
Production value. Yes, sir.
So why ngibuza kanje ne? For instance, let's say you shoot a music video at 10,000.
Yes.
Omunye umuntu would be like, oh, 10,000, that's a lot. This guy uyadura. So that's why ngikubuza kanje ukuthi uzokhona maybe explainela abantu abasekhaya properly so that he understand ukuthi okay, what does this 10,000 do? For instance, you shoot a music video, you plug it on TV, it plays Guma, all of these big platforms. You understand? So now, omunye umuntu wouldn't see the value of him maybe paying that 10,000 for that particular video. But now, when one is explaining, you know what? A music video le yakho it is city si shoot ngayo le 16,000 from the 10,000. City shooting the 16,000. Then maybe a 10,000 is for the production value. Ukuhlanganisa ama camera operator, the DOP, the director, the makeup artist, transportation and the food, ne? Plus the location being booked. Then it's city maybe in 9,000 le or 10,000. 6,000 le enye ile eschafa majita wase TV. Because most of the people don't know when it comes to most of the people don't know when it comes to TV plug. But a TV plug is something different than a music video, right? Yeah, so ngicela explain kabanzi when it comes to lokho.
Ngicela ukucorrecta kancane i-TV plug ayibhadaleli but
okay,
it's a submission. It's lawo ma platform abo MTV Base, abo Channel O, Trace, they are there specifically to help ama artists nama production companies to put the videos on that platform. So ayibhadaleli.
So umdizo namajojo genzakalani, because I heard most of the people bafuna isincane for the stuff to be on TV. Awungikhablise kancane.
But in my experience I've never experienced that at all.
Okay.
Khuluma iqiniso since ngiqalile kule industry mina I just take umsebenzi wami and then you submit.
Then bawuthathe
bawudlale. Lezo ukuthi ukhipha imali
it's something else.
Yeah, it's something foreign to me.
Okay, so explain the production value. Why must one pay 10K or 15K for your video?
Like you mentioned, it's about the production value. The more you invest in your music video, is the more valuable and nice and good looking it will appear. Mawibugele a TV. What I mean by that, if ukipa, let's say ukipa 2,000 for your video, it means nyeges pataleli location, which then means meles tole whatever location available, and mostly any location that's available that's not paid for is not good looking as a location as a pataleli.
Correct.
Then you won't have a makeup artist. Then it means mouse sweater, or if you are shiner. You know, you're not gonna look like an artist or a brand, so to say.
Okay.
Lighting, there's equipment. It means now nyeges konugu lighter I set yakho where you're performing is over dark. Some scenes nyeges bonakale kahle, nyeke ubonakale kahle. So maso wisa a TV. Let alone a YouTube, people won't be interested because izobonakala ukuthi first of all the artist did not have much interest in the product, and then makunjalo ema performing with television they won't accept it.
Okay.
Cause bafuna a product a match and standard. You understand? So uvelile, there's no lighting, dark, we are shiner, there's no makeup, location ya corner, it's somewhere in the bundus.
Welcome back, Bafethu. I'm so happy that you've watched the entire show called Ringakao, a show where we talk our mind and views. And in Bonile Bafethu, we were talking with Uday Schwartz himself. He explained more of what you wanted to know. He explained the fundamental of being a DOP, or what is a DOP, what is cinematography. For those who didn't know, I hope unifundile Bafethu. So if you want to catch or contact us more, don't worry. Follow the numbers on the screen, 061 514 1764, and that's our WhatsApp number where you can contact us, or follow our Facebook page on Ringakao, Instagram on Ringakao, Twitter it's Ringakao. If you want to see us more don't worry bafethu siyanyamalala manje, but catch us next week, same time, same place. And this is your boy B Umfana Boyzens, and you're watching Ringakao. Stay tuned. Bye bye bafethu. Sobona kahle next week.
Ringakao.